Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Priyal. First of all, thank you so much. We have just completed 1000 subscribers. I won't say just, it has been a week, but I'm so sorry I was unable to post the video. As you all know that I have been undergoing the training and have finally completed it. So, मैं consistent होने वाली हूँ. I am sure and I promise. And yes. So, because you guys gave me so much love, I got a collaboration and it is my first collaboration for this channel. And I am so glad and thankful to each and every one of you who has subscribed to my channel and watch my videos and also comment on my videos. Thank you so much guys. I love you. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Okay, so today I'm gonna review about Skin Science Tanjore Twilight. This is, I think, the the fragrance name, and this is how it looks. I haven't opened it because I wanted to show you guys and box in front of you and show my honest reviews about it. Okay, so it's a perfume and I love perfume. I'm not a crazy fan, but I love perfume, and if a perfume, like, I just feel that vibe with it, it's my favorite, guys. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so this is how it looks like. I'm gonna open it. Okay, so the packaging is very pretty, okay? And I'm gonna open it. Tin-tin-tin. Is this how it's opened? Am I opening ulta? Please don't fall, okay? I hate this sound. Wow! It looks so pretty. Wow. Are you able to see it? Wow. The bottle looks so good. So nice. The packaging is 10 on 10. Definitely, guys. Packaging is 10 on 10. Eau de Perfume. Okay. Let's try it. First, we need to do it in the bottle or something. It has a very fresh smell, I would say. Okay. This has a very fresh smell. It is strong. Not that strong, but I would say, like, the ones who are, allergic to strong smell, you should not try this. But the ones who love perfumes, who are, who can't live without perfumes, this is for you guys. The smell. So fresh. I was about to. Guys. It's very nice. Trust me. You trust me, right? It's very nice. It's very nice. You can see the packaging. The price is, let me check. It's for 1299, and I don't think so it's a bad deal at all. And there are a lot of offers going on as well on Nykaa and all, so you can get it in offers as well. But I think 1299 is not a bad deal, as the bottle is quite big. Like, even my hands are not about to fit. Yeah, it's this much big, guys. So I think it's worth the money. And the fragrance is like very fresh. And I've said it 100 times already, I know. But it's very nice, trust me. And the packaging is 10 on 10. The smell is 10 on 10. And I think they have a lot of different fragrances available as well. You can check that out as well. And I'm gonna post the link in the description also. And I think, as me personally, I just really, after bath, I really want to use perfume. And I think this is something I'm gonna apply it because it gives a very fresh vibe. Like, after bath, when you apply something which has a very nice fragrance to it, you just feel fresh the whole day. Thank you so much, wow, because your perfume was wow. Also, thank you so much, you guys. Without you guys, I would have been never reached till here. And thank you so much. Please keep supporting. Please keep on showering your love, and I'm going to be very consistent now. So please show your support, give me love, and stay tuned for my next video. Till then, bye.